Hi guys, like many projects, this baby gate is going to start off in the office.
In today's episode of the Frozen Woodworker, we tackle the design phase of our baby gate build.
I use a design software called Sketchlist. You can use SketchUp or any number of other things, but I kind of like the Sketchlist. When I first started learning how to do it, this is the program I ran across first, and it seems to work really well for me, so I just enjoy using it. So that's what I keep using. I think there's a cheaper version for personal use, and I recommend using it if you'd like. But other than that, I use this to get the parts kind of designed before I start building it. That way I can kind of take into effect things like hinges, the actual opening of the space and all that kind of stuff before I start actually cutting anything. It kind of a new version of the measure twice, cut once. I design it twice and cut once. That way you can save on lumber, and in the long run, even though I spend a little bit of time up here in the office designing, you can save quite a bit of time in the shop because you don't have to be sitting there figuring everything out as you go. So I'm going to kind of start designing this a little bit. I don't yet know how to make it so that the screen just pops up on the screen, so I'm going to do a little bit of work here and maybe see if we can't get a little bit of it on the camera. All right. Well, folks, this is the design that we're building. It's going to be a pretty basic slatted design. You can see it kind of spinning around there. It's going to be all oak. You may have seen on the back side here, there's several pieces where it attaches to the wall. It's going to be because this green piece here is going to be a small cleat that is permanently attached to the wall. And then there will be recessed knobs in here, so that way the gate itself can be removed. Because this for the couple that's getting this are grandparents and not parents, so sometimes the kids will be there and sometimes they will not, so they want the gate to be able to be removable, but without tools. And you'll see how we're going to accomplish that. There'll be like I said, some recesses in here with knobs, so that way without any tools you can remove the gate and then put it back up again as the person pleases. So let's print this off. We're going to print off a parts list here. See, I gotta go through here. We'll select a handful of things here. Let's see if that'll do it. There we go. I just had a little misprint there. And then we will print this off. So I'm going to do that, and then I also like to go and just to remind myself how it's going to get made, I'll do what's called a photo render on this. Now this photo render, I also will use it a lot of times to kind of help sell the job to a customer. I'll use this program, I'll design something, and then I can send them a picture of it. But that way they can approve it before it's built. But I also like to do it because then I got kind of a picture to remind myself as I'm going along here. One neat thing what really made me buy this software is this has this extra little function in here where we can go and create a movable 3D picture. Where is it? Export to PDF. Okay, so I'll show you quick how we do this. I'll throw it in a... So we throw this in here. Sorry about that, guys. That's just the dog going a little kooky. Anyway, we go in here. I save that. I gotta open it up here. And it's gotta be opened with a actual PDF reader. It can't be opened with sometimes a PDF will get opened up by Internet Explorer. But if you open it up in the PDF reader, I can send this to a customer, and they're able to go and spin it around, flip it around, move it, do anything they would want to do. And a baby gate, this isn't all that crucial, but on something more complicated, maybe a set of drawers or a shelf that they might want or something like that, it really helps a lot of customers to visualize things when they're able to manipulate it like this and see all sides of it. And customers seem to really like that and appreciate it. So that's, this little function here all by itself is pretty much why we bought this software. Because, like I said, it wasn't cheap software, but I think it's made us quite a few sales, so it was a good thing for us to have. All right, well, now that we got our cut list and our picture all down pat, how about when we go downstairs and actually start cutting some wood? Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to check out any more, please feel free to like our videos. Please subscribe. We love subscribers. And check out the rest. Thanks. Bye-bye.